If you want to become an AI or machine learning engineer, but don't know where to start, you are in the right place. Most people waste months jumping between random courses, only to feel stuck. This is a step-by-step, no-fluff roadmap to take you from beginner to job-ready AI or machine learning engineer in the shortest time possible. I will break it into structured phases, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. Stick around till the end, because I will share a crucial bonus tip that will accelerate your learning curve and help you stand out in the AI field. Let's get started. Step 1. Foundations of Computer Science and Python Programming. Weeks 1 to 4. Before diving into AI, you need solid programming fundamentals. Python is the industry standard, so start here. Learn basic programming concepts like variables, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Master data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets. Get comfortable with algorithm design. This will help you write efficient AI models later. Learn NumPy and Pandas. These libraries handle large data sets, which is crucial in AI. How to learn this? Take CS50 Introduction to Python by Harvard. Practice coding on LeetCode and HackerRank for problem solving. By the end of week 4, you should be comfortable with Python syntax, basic algorithms, and data manipulation using Pandas and NumPy. Next step 2, advanced programming and data structures, weeks 5 to 8. Once you are confident with Python basics, it's time to strengthen your coding logic and data structure implementation. Learn about recursion, searching, and sorting algorithms. Understand complex data structures like stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Start using Git and GitHub version control is a must-have skill in AI development. Implement a basic database. AI relies on structured data, so understanding SQL and NoSQL is important. How to learn this? Take a data structures and algorithms courses. Work on competitive programming problems on Codeforces or at Coder. Start pushing your code to GitHub to build an online portfolio. By week 8, you should be comfortable handling structured data and writing efficient algorithms. Next step 3, core AI skills and machine learning fundamentals, weeks 9 to 12. Now, let's dive into real AI and machine learning concepts. Learn the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Study data preprocessing, handling missing values, feature engineering, and scaling data. Implement machine learning models like linear regression, decision trees, and k-nearest neighbors. Start using scikit-learn, the go-to machine learning library for training models quickly. Get hands-on with exploratory data analysis (EDA). This is where you understand trends in real datasets. How to learn this? Take courses on machine learning. Work on real datasets from Kaggle and try to build simple prediction models. Read hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. By week 12, you should be able to train basic machine learning models and analyze real-world datasets. Next step 4, specialized AI techniques, deep learning, NLP, and computer vision. Weeks 13 to 16. This is where things get more advanced. Deep learning, NLP, and computer vision power most AI applications today. Learn neural networks, CNNs for image processing, and RNNs for sequential data like text. Work on natural language processing, understand tokenization, embeddings, and transformers. Explore computer vision, face recognition, object detection, and image segmentation. Use PyTorch and TensorFlow, the most powerful deep learning frameworks. How to learn this? Complete Hugging Faces NLP course for modern AI techniques. By week 16, you should be comfortable with deep learning architectures and capable of building AI-driven applications. Next step 5, advanced AI applications and real-world projects. Weeks 17 to 20. It's time to apply your knowledge and build real AI systems. Work on full-stack AI projects, build and deploy models using Flask, FastAPI, or Streamlit. Learn about MLOps, automating AI model deployment and monitoring. Start using Docker and Kubernetes to make your AI applications scalable. Explore cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure for model deployment. Contribute to open source AI projects. This will help build your credibility. How to learn this? Complete the TensorFlow deployment course. Deploy your AI models on Hugging Face or Google Colab. Participate in AI hackathons like Kaggle competitions and Google AI challenges. By week 20, you should have at least 3 real-world AI projects and a strong portfolio on GitHub. And last, step 6, career preparation and continuous learning. At this stage, you're ready for AI job applications. Build a strong resume and LinkedIn profile highlighting your projects. Learn how to explain your models in interviews. This is crucial. Prepare for AI coding interviews with mock tests on InterviewBit and LeetCode. Stay updated with research papers, webinars, and AI conferences to remain ahead in the field. Engage in continuous learning. AI evolves rapidly, and staying relevant is key. You can enroll in our course, Introduction to AI and ChatGPT, on our website. The link is in the description box. Visit our website for more information. So, it's time for the bonus tip. What is the fastest way to learn AI and machine learning? Here's the secret. Start working on real projects as early as possible. Most beginners spend months stuck in tutorials, but AI is best learned by doing. Here's what you should do. Pick a real-world AI problem like chatbots, fraud detection, or recommendation systems. Use public datasets from Kaggle and train your own models. Deploy your project and write a blog post explaining it. Share it on LinkedIn, GitHub, and Medium. This will attract job offers and networking opportunities. The earlier you start building projects and sharing your work, the faster you will grow. If you have followed this roadmap, you now have a clear path to becoming an AI or ML engineer. Start with Python and data structures, progress through machine learning and deep learning, and finish with real-world AI applications and deployment. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment on which AI field excites you the most. Make sure to subscribe because I will be dropping tech-related videos to help you master this field. Let's keep learning together, and I will see you in the next video.